In this video, I'll show you how to download and install Subtitle Edit plugins inside Subtitle Edit. Welcome to this video. My name is David and I hope you're well wherever you are around the world. So, I have this particular interface of Subtitle Edit 3.6.4, and the one feature that is available here that is not available in the beta versions that are before the release of Subtitle Edit 3.6.5 is something called the fade. And I've done a tutorial on how to do the fade in Subtitle Edit 3.6.4. So this is the advanced substation alpha style, and if I right click on just a single line here and then go to ASSA tools, you'll see the option to fade. If I click on that, then you'll see the milliseconds and all that you need to do. Let's say we want this to fade. If we come before this section and then play.
Hi, my name is David.
Title will more or less appear like a fade. Now it depends on how much time you put to that particular fade. Now, if you want to install or download and install Subtitle Edit plugins, then I'll show you with a sample of Subtitle Edit, the beta version, and then I'll just double click to open it up. If you're using the beta version, maybe the couple of options you need to do first, I believe, is install the basics. Let's say we want to install let's say the video player. You download the mpvlib so that you see the subtitles as they appear inside the video player. If you don't do that, then the subtitles will appear below the video, and if you wanted to know where the positioning of the subtitles will be, that is not a really good feature that you are looking, or a result that you're looking to get. So let's just give this a couple of seconds. It's just a by the way, just notice that since this is the beta, I had not downloaded that, and this is just a by the way for anyone that is using Subtitle Edit beta for the first time. So we've done that. Just click OK, and the MPV is going to be used, and this is what previews the subtitles. So I can just begin by importing a video. Let's just import a video. So there is our video. I can also actually import a subtitle. Just import one, and I can just click to add waveform, and there we have a waveform. So now let's download and install. Actually, before we download and install, let's convert this to an advanced substation alpha subtitle style. We've done that. If we right click ASSA tools, you'll notice that the fade option in the beta version is not available. Why is that? It's because it's now a plugin, and to download and install a plugin, just go to File, Plugins, and from this section you'll see the installed plugins, and then you can get plugins. So here are different plugins that you can use. You'll see the name, the description, the version, and the date. So if we scroll here, let's say we want to get the ASSA fade effect for advanced substation alpha. Just click on that, click on download. It's going to begin downloading. Plugin ASSA fade downloaded. Okay, if I click OK and then right click on this ASSA, we have the fade available. Pretty awesome. Something else I love especially with this is because if you go back to the plugins, the different options, and now once you do that, you'll see your installed plugins, and you can see this, and you can always remove, go to the plugins folder, etc. And if you are a developer and all that and know how to go around with this, and you have your own plugins, I believe you can create and just put them out there for the masses to try them out. One thing that I love is called the merge. I believe it's the merge to SRT subtitles into one ASS for different languages. This is pretty awesome, especially if you're working with videos where you need to produce subtitles, for example an English and another language subtitle, and merge them into one. So I can just click on that, download. It's a pretty awesome one, and I do have a tutorial on how you can actually merge two subtitles into one for different language subtitles, and you'll see it here. Click OK, and I believe it's going to be somewhere under edit, not edit, tools. Yeah, tools, merge two SRT to one SSA. If you click on that, then you can just You can do the different styles you see here. You can make them align the way you want them to. So let's say we get one here. This one is Russian, I believe. Yes. So this is the English one, this is the Russian one. So you can do that, but I believe this is going to be extremely chaotic for your viewers, especially if they have to look up and look down. So you need to find a way where you can make the subtitles a single line and hopefully merge them to appear at the bottom. But basically the essence of this tutorial was to show you how you can download and install plugins in Subtitle Edit. So I hope that this video has been of value to you. Just get to see what you can do with this. You can upload subtitles to Dropbox, load from OneDrive, whatever you want. I hope this video has been of value. Thanks for watching. Until next time, stay safe and never stop learning.